Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the Elgato Key Light. As of making this video, it runs $199.99 US. Inside the box, you'll find the desk mount, a quick start guide, the key light itself, and the power brick with power attachments for other countries. Here you can see the comparisons of the other Elgato lights. The thing I like most about this one specifically is that it has a camera ball mount and a desk clamp to save space. You can buy accessories for the key light, so for example, if you didn't want the desk mount, you could purchase a heavy base. You can also see here that Elgato uses state-of-the-art edge-lit LEDs, providing much higher quality than the cheaper brands. The installation is super simple. Just mount it to your desk and you're pretty much good to go. The mount does also extend, which is very nice. With the camera ball mount, you can easily add a camera or webcam to the key light. The key light can get super bright, but it can also get pretty dim as well, so you can choose the perfect brightness for you. On the PC side of things, head over to Elgato's download page and download the Key Light Control Center. It is very easy and straightforward to set up, and the app itself is very minimal. You add your light, you get two sliders, one for temperature and one for brightness. Also, if you have an Elgato Stream Deck, the control center is built right in, so you can use that to control the power, brightness, and temperature as well. Here you can see me with the key light off. And this is with it on. Now this is just me messing with a bunch of brightness and temperature settings. There is also an app for iPhone and Android users. It is also very minimal, just like the PC app. Add the light, and you get 2 sliders. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.